how to edit Wix form submissions email address. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change or edit your email address in the form submission. So the first thing for that is to log into Wix.com and you will be redirected here on this dashboard. And from this dashboard, you can see there are a variety of features that you can take advantage of. But for the time being, we'll click on design site and go to this website that we're working on. And we're going to open the marketplace from here. Let's see where the Wix marketplace is. Okay. Let's see. Okay, marketplace. Oh no, we're not going to go to marketplace. We're going to find an empty place where we can add this form. We can add another section, and here we're going to add it. So we can write forms here, and then we'll be good to go. Forms. Wix form apps for you. Go to the app market. Let's just go to the app market and see. Forms. Bro, we just did it and you're not free. So please, we can go with this one. This one seems a bit good because a lot of favorable reviews. A lot. Yeah, agree and add. Because we want to go with the free version right now. We can't afford premium. So we're going to need something that is free. Free for us to do, Economy is hitting us hard. And everything is in inflation. Never mind, here it is. Let's just wait. Here you go. Amazing. So we can go to settings. And submission email needs to be changed. So let's see from where we can find the submission email. Okay. Got it, bro. Email to form admin. Yeah. So here you go. From here, we're going to change the email of the submission form. No email was added. So you're going to add your email right here. And you can also turn on custom submission notification. So whenever somebody emails you the form, you will get a notification. So that's the way how we do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.